Okay, guys, so welcome to this training. So, in this short video presentation, I'm going to show you the only guaranteed way to start a profitable affiliate marketing business with just 7,000 naira or 15 US dollars, as the case may be. Okay, now this video will be very short, but I can guarantee you that you are going to take home highly valuable information that will transform your affiliate marketing business. Now, guess what? Last year alone, I was able to single handedly generate over 5 million naira in revenue with my affiliate marketing business. Don't worry, I'll show you proof of everything and how I was able to generate that amount. All right, so let's dive into my computer now while I show you the opportunity and how you can tap into this to make money for yourself. Okay, so let's dive right in, guys. So as you can see, this is my screen right here, titled "The Only Guaranteed Way to Start a Profitable Affiliate Marketing Business with Only 7,000 naira." All right, or 15 US dollars, as the case may be. And once again, my name is Osazeke King, and I'm the founder of Sabi Mentors. All right, so let's dive right in and get started right away. Now, this is not going to be too too technical or too fluffy. All right, I'm going to go straight to the point and show you everything that you are going to get. Now, I have created a superior affiliate marketing platform. All right, and that platform will enable you to do affiliate marketing the right way. It will enable you to earn higher commissions. It will enable you to earn recurring commissions. It will enable you to earn from the effort of other people. Our affiliate program is the best in Africa right now. You have to see for yourself, guys. With our affiliate program, you can grow a business. You can finally make passive income, which is the essence of affiliate marketing. Okay, so now let's continue. So, like I said, I'm going to show you proof. As you can see, this is my account with over 5.6 million naira made already. And if I reload this page now, you'll see that everything remains the same. Nothing changes, okay? Nothing changes. So as you can see, the page remains the same. If I go to my referrals now, you'll see that I make sales on a daily basis. I make sales on a daily basis because I have systems in place for me. All right. So as you can see, these are commissions being earned on a daily basis. As you can see, take a look at it. Loading. Hold on. So, okay, as you can see, so everything is right there for you. So now, how can you start a profitable affiliate marketing business with just 7,000 naira? Simple. I have created a step-by-step video training, all right, that will give you the blueprint to start generating at least 5,000 naira to as high as 20,000 naira per day. All right, I've created everything for you. The training, I've done it for you. The resources you need, that is the hard copies. As you can see, the hard copies, I have several of them right here, and it will continue to increase as time goes on. You are going to get the hard copy, so you don't even need to write anything. Just copy and paste and start promoting. Then I've also designed the sales funnels. All right, now guess what? You don't need to buy a hosting. You don't need to pay money buying hosting and doing all those complicated stuff. You are going to use System. System is a funnel builder, or excuse me, or a landing page builder, you are going to sign up for system for free and use it to build your sales funnels. Now, guess what? I have designed the sales funnels, so you don't even have to design anything. All you have to do is to import the sales funnels into your system account, your free account. Then once you import, do some little edit. I'll show you, and you have your funnels live. So let me show you the funnels on my screen. So as you can see, this is the lead page of one of the lead page inside one of the funnels. Okay, now as you can see, looking so beautiful and professional. If you are going to design this or pay for this, it will cost you thousands of naira and hundreds of dollars for just one funnel alone. But guess what? You are getting 3 different funnel variations that you can use. So you can see this is the lead page, the white lead page. Then this is the blue one. So you can see different. So you can see. Then this is the black one. So you can see. So you can choose any one for yourself and use for your business. Now, guess what? This is the other thank you page. All right. You can simply put your WhatsApp link here. Once they opt in, put your WhatsApp link here for them to message you on WhatsApp. Then this is the access page. Now, this is where they're going to watch a free video presentation. Once they watch that video, they can sign up with your affiliate link right here to become an affiliate. And once they sign up, they are tied to you forever. Now, guess what? If they go ahead and buy the program you are promoting, which is the 7K, the 7K days, which is the 20K days affiliate marketing blueprint, you are going to get paid. All right, you can get paid at least 5,000 naira. That means you need just one sale to make 5K per day, and you need just 4 sales to make 20,000 naira per day. And this is simple, guys. With my system, it is simple. Now, these are the funnels. All right, there are several. The funnels are, I think, like 3 pages times 6. That is, you are getting 9 landing pages that you can import into your system account. All right, then you are going to get the hard copies, like I said before. You are going to get the WhatsApp script. I've written several WhatsApp scripts for you. All you need to do is to plug in this WhatsApp script into the autoresponder I will show you, and your autoresponder automatically follows up with your prospects every day, all right, for as long as you want. Then I will also give you the add images, that is the videos, the images and videos. All right, that is the add creatives, that is images and videos. I'll give you everything. Okay, now guess what? See, so if I click on this now, you will see the add copies and the add creative. I mean, you can simply click on this link and import them into your account. All right, now once you click on that link, you'll see to show you use template. All right, so you're going to create a free Canva account and use template. Once you click on use template like this, the designs will be imported into your Canva account. You can make some basic edits and download and use for your marketing. So you can see these are several images right here. Several images right here. As you can see, this is crazy, guys. It's crazy. As you can see, these are videos. You can download this one as video. You can download the other images, all right, and use for your marketing on Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, advertising, anywhere at all you can get people online. All right, everything is right here. Now, not just that, I will also give you support. All right, I'll add you to the support group where you can ask me questions and all that. Okay, then what else? Then if you take action very fast, if you are among the first 70 people to get your copy of this program or your 20K days free marketing blueprint, I'm going to grant you premium access to Sabi Mentors affiliate program. Right now, premium rank for Sabi Mentors affiliate program costs 5,000 naira. Now, guess what? If you are among the first 70 persons, I'm going to give you access to premium rank for free. All right, that is you are getting extra 5,000 naira for free. So, but take note, you have to act fast. You have to be among the first 70 persons. Once I get the first 70 persons, you can no longer get that offer. That means you have to pay for premium rank. All right, but don't worry, even if you don't pay for premium rank, you can still use the formula I've created to make at least 5k per sale. Don't worry, I'll show you everything in my computer. So now, how are you going to make at least 5k to 20k per day? Simple. You are going to promote a product that I've created, which is the 20k days affiliate marketing blueprint. And guess what? The system you are going to get access to is going to give you everything you need to promote this product effectively. All right, and you can also promote other products on Sabi Mentors. Okay, so now you're going to promote the 20k days affiliate marketing blueprint. All right, now guess what? For every sale you make for that product, you are making 5,000 naira. Whether you are a premium affiliate or you are a free affiliate, you are going to make 5,000 naira from this product. All right, but that is why I'm offering you the premium rank. Now, the reason you need to upgrade your rank is because if you don't upgrade your rank, let's say for instance, the people you referred buys any other product on the platform, you are going to earn 20% commissions because you are on the free rank. All right, but if you're on the premium rank, you're going to earn as high as 40% commissions on across all the courses, all the products on the platform. That is why you have to upgrade your rank. And if you are among the first 70 persons to buy this program today, I'm going to give you premium access for free, aside the other goodies you are getting. Okay, now how are you going to get people to buy this product? Simple. I'm going to show you how to set up simple Facebook advertising. All right, simple Facebook advertising that will bring hundreds of people to you on a daily basis. Now guess what? The system I've created, you don't have to struggle. All right, you don't have to chase prospects. They are the ones that will chase you. They will come to you, and once they come to your system will do all the hard work for you while you fold your hands and make passive income. All right, and make passive income. And guess what? For anybody you bring to Sabi Mentors, if they buy any product in the future, you are going to get paid. All right, from all their future purchases. Now guess what? If those people refer other people and those people they refer buy any product on the platform, guess what? You are going to make money from their efforts. It therefore means that with Sabi Mentors affiliate program, you can fold your hands. No, you can have an army of affiliates and fold your hands while they make you money. All right, this is the beauty of Sabi Mentors affiliate program. It is crazy, guys. It is crazy. The system I've created is the most powerful one in the entire industry. All right, you can only know how powerful it is when you get access. But with my explanation, you are supposed to have an idea of everything. All right, so you go ahead, click the link below this video to get your copy of the 20k days affiliate marketing blueprint and hopefully be among the first 70 persons to unlock premium rank for free. Okay, so now I've explained everything to you. So let me go to Sabi Mentors account and show you. So this is the training. These are the videos, everything inside here and all that. All right, everything inside here and all that. How to import your funnels, how to set up your funnels. It is very simple, guys. As you can see, the training is very short. All right, in less than 2 hours, you can set up your affiliate marketing business today and make your first commissions by this time tomorrow. Okay, that is how powerful this system is because everything is automated. So I don't want to talk too much. I've shown you everything you are going to get, and you go ahead and get your copy of the 20k days affiliate marketing blueprint. Let me show you how it looks. So this is it right now. So that you are not confused, right? 20k DMB. So once you come to this, once you click the button below this video, you are going to get this is the training you're going to get. But once you get this training, you are going to get access to everything I've mentioned in this video. All right, as you can see. So this is it. So scroll down, come read and see everything for yourself and get your copy, guys. It's crazy, guys. It's crazy. It's crazy. All the hard work I've been done for you, just copy and paste and plug and play into my system, guys. I don't want to talk too much. All right, I don't want this video to be too long. You have seen for yourself. Join us and use our system to make money for yourself, guys. All right, money comes to you as a result of you exchanging value. All right, so once you join us today, you have a product that you can exchange for value, and there are thousands and millions of people who want to learn affiliate marketing the right way. All right, and they're going to buy through you, and you make good money for yourself, guys. Last year I had affiliates who were making at least 5K per day. I had some affiliates who were able to generate 100K using this same system, guys. Right? Everything has been proven and battle tested. You can hardly fail with this. The only way you can fail with this is if you don't follow my instructions. If you try a little and give up. All right. So you go ahead, get your copy of the 20K days affiliate marketing blueprint and start your 5 to 20K per day affiliate marketing blueprint. I'm looking forward to seeing you on the inside, and one love, guys. Peace out. Boom.